are an overfed and undernourished and underactive nation.
Eat it.
Hello, everyone. Dr. Kristosik here, and I am about ready to jump into the pool right behind me and to get some energy and get some strength and to do what is really important to help to activate my system of the body called autophagy. That's the body's cellular cleanup system. And it usually happens at night, but you can help it along during the day by exercising. Oh, and before I forget, this coming Monday evening, join me and others who want to be fit, trim, and drug-free by unleashing the body's power to heal itself using food as medicine. I'll show you how to use just 1 tablespoon of a specific food. You can just take this before bed and feed the friendly bacteria in your gut and help them multiply, produce short-chain fatty acids that boost immunity, improve your mood and memory, support weight loss, and more. It's free. It's only 45 minutes, and you'll learn simple, powerful ways to use food as medicine, and you can ask me questions live. It starts 7 p.m. Don't miss this opportunity to discover one of the best, most affordable ways to nourish your gut so it can work for you while you sleep. Autophagy, the body's cellular cleanup process. What it does is help the skeletal system, that's the muscles and the ligaments and the tendons and all the soft tissue inside of the skeletal system, as well as your heart and your brain to clean up all those processes of the body. So when you swim, you're activating that powerful system. And you're also helping to activate at the cellular level the mitophagy, which is the mitochondria. The mitochondria are the power cells of the body. They're the batteries of the body to give you energy. And so you want to keep those clean as well. And swimming does that for you. And so I'll be swimming some laps today. I'll be activating my autophagy system. And I'll tell you what, if you get out just a couple times a week and even swim for about maybe 10, 15 minutes, I'm going to swim for about a half hour. But if you get out there just for 10 or 15 minutes and move your body and get your oxygen levels up, activate your heart, and get your musculoskeletal system moving, you're going to help to activate autophagy, help to detoxify your body and keep your body in tip-top shape. My friend, because we are an overfed and undernourished and underactive nation.
It's only a wafer thin.
Yeah, I couldn't eat another thing. I'm absolutely stuffed.
We need to get back out there, get strong again, just like our ancestors here in the United States. I want you to start using your mind to help your body to be well and to get motivated. Take a proactive role. Start doing some exercising, especially in a pool. Look what a beautiful facility this is. I'm living in Sandusky, Ohio, and this pool is so beautiful. There's nobody out here. It's a Saturday afternoon. That's a sad state of affairs. We should have people out here exercising and getting our bodies, again, in motion and helping our body's autophagy system to get activated. So I want you to really live a long life, a healthy life, and to be able to really enjoy the benefits so that you keep your joints moving well, keep your muscles strong and active. And getting that autophagy system active. You can do that by eating good food, drinking plenty of water, and getting rest. 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Don't forget that. Sleep is the most important time when your body activates that autophagy system. We can help it along when we do exercise, but when you get a good night's rest, you're going to activate that autophagy system to clean up the cells in the body, to clean up the tissues, your heart, your lungs, your musculoskeletal system, and your brain. So join me. I'm going to go dive in the pool right now. And until next time, my friends, I encourage you to join our Gut 911 prescription community and be around other people just like you that are encouraging you. We're encouraging each other. We're supporting each other. And we're learning from me and all the resources. Join us so that you can become independently healthy. So until next time, here's your health. I'm going swimming.